Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and today I'll show you how to create abandonment cart flow. One of our subscriber or like YouTube channel subscriber asked question how do you build this flow, and his name is Jackie, and I'm answering Jackie's question and showing in the video how to do it. So when you log into Klaviyo, first of all, you have to have your Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or whatever shopping cart you use integrated with Klaviyo, and in this case, it's Shopify. By the way, Shopify has the best integration with Klaviyo. So next, you go to flows. You create a flow. Call it cart test. Create a flow. So the logic you use is take action, checkout started. Then you go to flow filters and you add ordered product, 0 times since starting this flow. So basically what it will do, it will trigger this automation every time somebody will start checkout, but it will continue only for those who did not make any purchase. And also then the next things to do is add time delay. And what's time delay to add? Typically it's between 1 and 4 hours, but what I want to show you something, integration specifically for WooCommerce and Magento. If you go to integration, you will see how often they sync. I mean, in this case, it's not true data, but like for Shopify, I believe it's very fast. It's like under 1 hour, maybe it's 30 minutes. And same thing for checkout started and placed order. For Magento and WooCommerce, I know for sure it might be a little bit longer, so it may be up to 2 hours. So here delay, I recommend to put between like 2 and 4 hours. Let's do 4 hours. Save. And then you want to send them the first email. And in that email, by the way, smart sending, I highly recommend not to use it. It's, I mean, I don't like that feature at all. It's skipping people if they, for example, if in your settings set to 16 hours, so it's basically will skip any email in your flow that you plan to send them if they receive any email in the last like 16 or 8 hour, or like, I mean, you can change that number, but honestly, I personally don't like that. Okay, so let's go to configure email. Subject line, doesn't matter because it's test. Let's pick a template, any template. Let's use this one. So what you need to do, because you want to pull that information from abandonment cart and show them like you missed this specific product. So how to do it? For example, for image, you click on the preview, and here's all information from the abandonment cart. So let's look for image. Let's image, checkout URL, full landing page, product, image, right here, images, right there. We have an image, click. So now what you do, you drag this image, and here you do placeholder, and you put that code here, save. And now let's do, I don't know, 250. So now you should have like preview. as you can see, this product that they abandoned. Okay, and what is next? Let's do what we want to pull the title. Product. Right here. Preview. So this is the title. Also, we want to, if you want to have a quantity, let's do value. By the way, I copy paste the code in the browser because sometimes when you copy it, pulls formatting, and if you copy and paste in the browser search, it will reset. So this is my hack. So here's that. So let's check it. 199. So we want to add $sign. Let's add $sign. $199. You can add if you want like price, and this is what you have. And by the way, like if you want to test for somebody else, you can do that, and it will be different, as you can see. But it's pulling that code is dynamic and pulls the image and also the title. But another important thing is to add the URL. So we're looking checkout URL. So this is that. So you add that link to here, to the image. You add that right here. Click on the link. And protocol, you do other. Like that. Click save. Preview. And if you click, it will be right here, as you can see. So by the way, you can pull any information that you have here available. So like, I don't know, like maybe address or whatever you have here, you can pull it and place it in your blog, in your email, and it will be dynamic and different for each customer. So this is how you do abandonment cart flow, the same way you do for browser abandonment. This is very, honestly, abandonment cart flow is the most profitable flow in Klaviyo, and for all my e-commerce clients, the most, So you, even like you working on maybe on a welcome flow or subscriber flow or win back flow or birthday flow, doesn't matter what you're working on, this is a top priority. You have to set it up right away. You have to do it like even like your copy is basic, maybe your copy design is very poor. You have to do it right away because this flow will start generating you money right away. And so I cannot stress enough to do it right away for your e-commerce store or for your client's e-commerce store. Please let me know if you have any additional questions about this flow or any other Klaviyo related questions. Thank you. It was Andrew from Email Marketing NYC.